You already know SSDs shorten load times and get you to the game way faster. Samsung's new 970 SSDs use the NVMe interface for the fastest possible speeds for your PC. Gives you quicker load times, lower latency for the best gaming experience possible. Less waiting, more playing. Samsung SSDs. Load fast, play fast. Comrade, Samsung SSD. It's a wonderful product. You should get one. Believe me.
Sabrent's Rocket NVMe SSDs come in capacities from 256 GB all the way up to 2 TB using Toshiba's BIC's TLC 3D NAND technology for speeds of up to 3,450 megabytes per second read and 3,000 megabytes per second write. Rocket SSDs feature an over-provision area, advanced wear leveling, and lower power consumption compared to traditional storage media, backed up by a 1-year extendable warranty to 2 via product registration, making the Rocket a cost-effective way to expand your PC's storage performance. Sabrent measures drive performance using freely available tools like Crystal DiskMark so that you can test their performance claims for yourself and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with the truth in advertising. Thanks to its standard M.2 form factor, you can use them with Sabrent's USB NVMe enclosure, small form factor PCs, or literally anywhere you can find a PCIe Express M-keyed M.2 slot. Just insert the pins, screw it down, and you're good to go. Pick one up today. If your Sabrent M.2 drive isn't showing up for you, first double check that the M.2 slot on your motherboard supports NVMe or PCIe Express. Usually this is printed near the slot, but you may need to refer to your motherboard or computer manual to verify. If you're sure the slot is correct and you're having trouble, try reseating your SSD. Remove the retention screw holding it in place and slide it out of its slot. Then place it into the slot again at about a 45-degree angle and make sure to keep it snug as you press it down and replace the retention screw. In some cases, you might also need to go to your PC's UEFI setup. Refer to manual for exact steps on how to get into it, but typically you can repeatedly press Delete or F2 key when you power your computer on. Once there, you can find the setting for your M.2 slot, usually under Advanced and a heading related to storage. Make sure it's for the slot you've installed your SSD into and change it from Serial ATA or SATA to PCI Express. And if it's not already, set it that way. Save your changes and reboot, and now you should have a working SSD. Bear in mind that if you're adding a drive to the system that's already running an operating system, you'll need to initialize and format the disk before you can use it. To do that, right-click on the Start button and then press Disk Management. It should automatically ask you to initialize the disk, but if not, use the lower section to find your SSD, right-click it, then click Initialize. From here, you'll want to right-click where it says Unpartition Space, and then click Create Partition. Follow the prompts, and you should now have a new SSD visible as a drive in File Explorer. Finally, if you've been using your SSD for a while and find yourself with lower performance than you're used to, make sure to optimize your SSD from time to time. Windows should automatically do this for you, but if you can do it yourself by opening File Explorer, selecting the drive, and going to the drive tools on the ribbon and choosing Optimize. In your new window that opens, choose your SSD and then click Optimize to trim the drive for improved performance.
When you upgrade your computer with a SanDisk Ultra 3D SSD, you will immediately notice faster boot up, shutdown, and app response. Your computer is ready to handle even large graphic files with ease. If your focus is more on the bottom line, you can rely on its accelerated performance to help you analyze data faster. When it's time for fun, you'll be thrilled with a blazing fast gaming experience. Enjoy faster boot up, accelerated performance, and blazing fast gaming with the SanDisk Ultra 3D SSD.